Right guys, we are going to go through my favourite lip products of winter 2023 to 2024 as we head into spring and we're saying goodbye to winter. Not so much the weather probably. Anyway, let me show you some of my favourite lip combos of this winter. Right, the first product I've got for you guys is the Too Faced Lip Injection, and this is in the shade Chocolate Plump. So it's not their regular original one, it's a slightly different shade, and I'm just going to swatch it on my lips for you guys so you can see. Oh, and it smells divine as well, guys. So this is the shade. It's got this really nice kind of browny purple glitter going through the whole gloss, and I love pairing this on top of a lot of the other shades that I'm going to show you guys in a second. I'm just using a dark brown lip liner to line my lips first, and this is going to be the base to most of my lip combos. Line it and just ever so slightly fill it. Press your lips together to get it a little bit blended. So once your lips are lined, you can just go in with the gloss by itself. That'll be a stunning combo. However, I'm going to go in with a Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 09 Unapologetic. I'm sorry about the packaging. This is a Puma collab that they had a few years ago. And yeah, I've still got the Puma packaging because the lip product is still going strong. But it is just a really nice orange kind of a shade, which I love for winter, autumn, fall. It's just such a nice cozy shade, don't you think? So we're going to let that dry down a little bit, and then we're going in with this lip gloss. So the added shine from the gloss is just to die for. Just look at that. Don't you guys think that is a stunning lip combo? And the Maybelline Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick lasts really well, even under lip gloss, once this lip gloss kind of wears down, as long as you let the liquid lipstick dry down first and then apply the gloss on top, you'll be fine. Moving on to the next combo. Again, we're starting off by lining our lips with this dark brown, neutral brown shade, because I've got a very dark shade to go into. This is the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint, and you'll just be amazed how dark, vampy and wintry this shade is. Although the applicator looks huge, it actually applies very well and precisely. What do you guys think? This is in the shade 280 Chocolate Pop. Really nice dry down as well, guys. On top of this, you can use the Too Faced Chocolate Plump lip injection shade, or I've got another Revlon lip shade for you guys. This is the Revlon HD lipstick in the shade Sand, and I like to just go right in the center to brighten up. This beautiful, beautiful dark brown shade, vintage looking dark brown shade, and it just gives you the most cool toned winter, deep winter kind of a shade. Definitely a bold one, definitely need guts to wear it, but I think it looks stunning. Now, if the previous lip combos were a bit too bold for your liking, then hopefully you guys will like this one. I started with that same dark brown. This time we're going to just ever so slightly shade in the corners, the top and the bottom, just blending in the corners a little bit to kind of create this little pout in the middle. I take that same Revlon HD lipstick in the shade Sand and then pop it right in the center. a beautiful, beautiful nude lip combo. And this is not just for the winter, but it can take you through to spring and summer and autumn. It's just a bog standard, beautiful nude lip combo. Last but not least, this is not a lip combo, but it's one lip product that is viral and I think could take you through from winter to spring without a problem. This is the e.l.f. Sheer Slick lipstick in the shade Black Cherry, and we all know how this goes. It's been so viral for so long. Viral for a reason. Just look at how juicy my lips look. Absolutely stunning and so comfortable, and literally don't really need a mirror to wear this shade. This is a recent try on for me, but it's become a very quick favourite. That's it, guys. I hope to hear some of your winter lip combos in the comment section below, or actually your favourite spring lip combos or lip products, so that I can try them out over spring, which we're heading right into. Sun is setting later. The weather is hopefully getting brighter, and hopefully we don't get any snow soon. But yes, lots of love from the UK, where the weather is always a mystery.